Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage your devices from your Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. To do that, initially, let us go to account. The buttons at the bottom right of the screen, simply click on it. And likewise, the gear-like icon at the very top right is the setting. Simply click on it. Once you're in this section, that is Dropbox settings, under space used, you can see a button like this that says manage devices. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, these are my two connected devices. I can simply manage devices from right here. Let's say I want to log out from this final GT device. I'm just gonna click on it. And likewise, I'm just gonna hit on remove. It might ask for your confirmation. Just hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. That's how you manage devices using your Dropbox mobile application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.